A solution developer has created the following message flow image. The integration requirements state that the name for the output file needs to be computed from the message payload. How can the developer implement this requirement in the mapping node? Option A. Use a custom Java transformation to call the IBM Integration Java API to set the file name. Option B. Use a custom ESQL transformation to change the value of the promoted file name property from the file output node. Option C. Configure the headers and folders for the output message to include the environment tree and map the file name for the output message in the environment tree. Option D. Configure the headers and folders for the output message to include the local environment tree and map the file name for the output message in the local environment tree. The correct answer is option A. A financial institution runs IBM Integration Bus V as a messaging backbone for financial payments. A legal requirement is fraud detection of the payments. This requirement should be solved with IBM Integration Bus V business rules functionality. However, rule development and flow development phases are not aligned. In production, rules get updated weekly but message flows get updated quarterly. Which component should the solution developer use to implement this requirement? Option A. Request node. Option B. SOAP request node. Option C. User-defined configurable service. Option D. Decision Service repository configurable service. The correct answer is option A. A solution developer is asked by a deployment team about options to deploy bar files that provide just deployment capabilities. Which option provides only deployment capabilities and does not provide packaging capabilities? Option A. Commands on X. Option B. Commands on Windows and Linux. Option C. IBM Integration Web User Interface. Option D. Integration API and IBM Integration Explorer. The correct answer is option C. The Integration Toolkit Adapter Connection Wizard is used to create the resources that enable the WebSphere adapters to connect to. Option A. Medical device. Option B. IBM Business Monitor. Option C. Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Option D. PeopleSoft Enterprise Information System, EIS. The correct answer is option D.